Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a Friday. You're going to be seeing this on Friday. So, yay, it's going to be a quick one. It's going to be a simple one, but definitely a fun one. So, this is my planner journaling ecosystem, or also known as my planner stack, because we have everything. I'm so excited. So let's go through one by one. This right here is going to be like my creative journal, creative planner. I just got this and I'm super excited. It's the Happy Planner Gilmore Girls collection, and it is a happy planner and I love it. I think it's so adorable. I love the Gilmore Girls, as many of us do, and I plan on having this more of like a memory planner, like just a place for me to be creative and actually add my fun stickers, not necessarily as like specifically a planner, but you know, we'll mess around with it. We'll have fun with it. That's the whole point of a happy planner, in my opinion. Obviously, like if you use it as a planner, definitely use it like to organize your days and your life, but I'll just give you a quick little flip through. I haven't set this up. I haven't really done much to it, but I am so excited to use it. I don't have any happy planner stickers, so everything that I do in this planner is going to be just, I don't know, just be creative, honestly. That's the whole point of it. So this is what it looks like. I'm sure y'all have seen like flip throughs of this. I won't really take too much time with this one, but it is so cute. I love it. I love the Gilmore Girls, and I'm honestly going to restart it, and my husband's going to be like, oh no, why? But you can't help it. The Gilmore Girls are just where it's at. Okay, I had to adjust my little camera thing. The next one that I have here is my Traveler's Notebook. My camera keeps moving. Hold on. Okay, I think that's a little bit better, but it's my Traveler's Notebook in the TN standard size. This right here is honestly just a little, I don't know, it's just a junk journal. It's just like a very simple thing. It's not an actual TN. This is by Motivational. I got it on Amazon, and I just junk journal in here for fun. I'm not sure if it's gonna change, if I'm gonna move this out to somewhere else, but this is what it looks like here. It's just a blank notebook. I have a folder, and then this is where my junk journal's at. So the first page is empty because I wanted to add a picture of myself, but I haven't done that yet. I will at one point though. And then this is the junk journal, just a quick little flip through. I've already have one whole filled one, but it's in my closet currently. And here's this one, that one, just cute little things, nothing major. I just try to have fun with it, be creative, glue some stuff down, and make it as cute as possible. I did this one yesterday, actually. I haven't filled it out completely. That's what I do. I sometimes like lay down a few pages or a few stickers or a few, like a little bit of paper, whatever it is, and then later on I'll come back to it and I'm like, oh, now I have stuff that, because I like for it to like be, I don't know, to match a little bit. So I definitely take my time with it, but that's my junk journal. Now my next one is actually a new one. This is my Paper Republic, and this is what I was thinking about moving into and switching my junk journal into, but I'm not sure if I want to chunk it up that way, but we'll see. That's definitely something that's up in the air. I did add a little charm. I'm not gonna take too much time with this one because I am going to do a flip through and like a deeper explanation about it, but I have a little folder that I made. Then I have the notebook that it came with, and then back here is my planner, and this is oh no, this is coming off. I need to tape this with actual tape and not washi. But this right here is a moleskin planner, and I'll just show you one of the pages. This is like currently where I'm at, and I love it. I love how simple and to the point it is, and honestly I really like that I don't have to add a ton of stickers and make it super cute. Like I could if I wanted to, but I don't feel like I have to with this planner, and that helps me stay, like, I guess you can say, actually, I don't know, focused on getting things done. I don't know, but I love this journal. I just got it this past week. And then the last thing that I have here is my Louise Carmen. I love my Louise Carmen. I probably also won't spend too much time talking about this one because this is my diary, so it has a lot of like personal stuff written in here. I have a little folio that I bought. My mom actually got this for me for my birthday. Here's a picture of me and Matthew, my husband. And I used to have a little journal in here, but I removed that. I don't know. I'm probably going to put like a folder in here, like a paper folder or something. We'll see about that. In here, I do have like some sticky notes. I also keep where is it at? An air tag in here because in case I lose it, like I definitely want to be able to like track it or something. I doubt that I lose it because I don't really carry it around with me. But this is just like literally my diary. Like I write in here every single day. I also like to add stickers or pictures of what we were doing, just very simple and to the point. This is where I'm currently writing, but I love it. And this one's an empty one, just ready for me to finish this one up and move into this one. But it's literally just a diary, and it's I don't know, I love it so much. It's like the most beautiful journal. I have to say, I wish I would have gotten like the medium size one, which is about, I think, equivalent to this size, because I think I would have been able to use it as like my catch-all, like a planner, a diary, like everything all in one. But I love how small and compact this is. But yeah, that is my little just quick little explanation of everything that I'm going to be using for 2026. Obviously, as we know, things definitely do change, but I will keep y'all updated with that when that does happen. I just wanted to make this quick little video and just share this with you all, because it is around that time where we're all making choices and selecting our planners. This right here, I do think I am going to move into this one, but I'm going to finish this one out. Or even then, like, I may finish all the TN size ones that I have as far as like junk journaling. And once that happens, then maybe I'll move into the Paper Republic, just to keep my system a little bit more compact. I don't like having like a ton of notebooks and a ton of different systems. So right now what I'm carrying around is like this little stack. So yeah, I love it. Anyways, that is everything for today. I told you I was going to be a quick one, but if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see y'all again on Friday. Bye.